Hello everybody, welcome back to that Scrap Guy YouTube channel. Today, we got a pretty good find. Anything in this basement pretty much I can get, definitely getting that right there. Look at all that copper. And maybe we can try and get into the pallet game, I don't know. We'll see what we got. Alright, so I got a lot of the truck loaded up. I can have these windows. I'm gonna grab another time. I'll break the glass out and scrap the windows. These might even be aluminum. Probably not, but you can dream. I got a couple little things out of here, and I'm gonna take. That thing's mostly metal. Might take a pallet. I have to look up the actual sizes that the pallet yards take. Have to find a pallet yard. And yeah, this is actually my mom. I moved out of my mom's place with Eric and Rodney when I was 11, but my mom's always been a pretty good part of my life, and you know, we're always kind of there for each other, so I'm thankful for that. You know, she was like, hey, Colin wants to give all the metal to my neighbors, who apparently are not the nicest neighbors. So, like, you'll see where I parked. I'm not being quiet about this. They're gonna know that they're not getting this, and too bad. First come, first serve. They haven't even woken up, and it's like afternoon. That's plastic, but all right. See you guys in a minute. All right, guys. That's what I got so far. Still got to do a little more digging. I have an old wheel mower. This thing's all seized up. Another one of those folding workbenches. These things are nice, but fortunately, got no place to put it. It's getting scrapped because I'm just gonna get the immediate payout. About like 2-3 cents, whatever it is. These chairs are mostly metal, and they would save it if they could, but just a little too dirty. It's been sitting down there. This is in Pottstown, so it's flooded. They're not too far from the river. And yeah. This thing, I believe, is cast iron. Along with that, too, so that's a pretty good score. Definitely worth a lot more than light iron. We'll keep on going. Back down into the abyss. Rusty old bucket. Pretty much halfway destroyed. And a hammer. It's pretty good. And I got this little chain right here. I'll just throw in this bucket that I think might hold stuff. I'm gonna need 2 hands, so I'm not gonna cut myself up for this footage. Sorry about that, guys. What was leaking from? That was some that I kind of got over there on one of my other pieces of metal. I think the bucket right next to this had a bunch of blue paint in it. You know, just kind of leaking, so. And blue trucks look nice. I guess I have a blue truck now. Yeah, I would take those windows, but there's a lot more glass than there is metal. And like a little broken glass, the scraper's not really gonna care, but that's a lot of glass compared to metal. These windows, which they're pretty light, so I'm thinking these are aluminum too. There's a way for me to might be a way for me to detach the frame from the glass, but I don't know for sure. The old hammer and a trash can might work, but we'll see. If there's one of these totes around there, I might just start banging that, and then I can throw the glass out back at home. So I'll see if I checked, and they are more than happy for me to grab those windows and break them down there into a bin, which is fine by me. So I'm gonna get to work. Felt one a little bit, kind of touched me a little bit. Don't have to be perfect, just better. I'll put my gloves on. Probably should have wore jeans today. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do all those, so that's gonna be full glass before too long. Okay, so I got a lot of that broken up. Not all the glass, but that first piece. I think it's time for me to grab my gloves. But then I saw something I could try to just remove it. Got my gloves. I'm ready to go pick up some glass. I'll put this other one on now, so I'm not gonna be able to record for you guys. These are some sketchy steps. Yeah. This thing only open so far, so it doesn't open all the way up. Well, maybe it does. Have to mess with it. Maybe. That's what I'm doing so far. Got it mostly out. Pick out some pieces. I think some of them might have got my leg a little bit. Chose the wrong day to wear shorts, but wasn't exactly expecting to be doing all this. But we'll see. See how this goes. Might only take a few today. Save the rest for another day. I'm more prepared. This is all. I was able to just easily bend it, and it just kind of comes apart at the seams. I'm gonna see if I can get the glass out. Messing around with it a little bit, and it's really not gonna come out. So, this will just keep filling up that bucket. So I think the best system for this, break it one time in the middle of the hammer, and then you pull pieces out. Because it's super old windows that don't even fit the windows anymore. So, you know, like the glue is pretty much just kind of sitting there and not really doing anything. So as long as I'm careful, I was able to get it out a lot easier, and there's no glass left over like how I did on the first one. And that also takes a lot less time. So if you guys ever find yourself in a situation like this, that's what I would do if I were you. I've learned from my mistake very soon, at least, so I'm not spending 3 hours breaking up windows. So it should be alright. Alright, funny story. There was only 3 windows that were actually metal, and this last one was already halfway taken out, so I was able to just kind of pull out that big glass pane over there all in one piece. So I got a couple little pieces from the first that kind of went away in other directions than where it needed to go. But other than that, it's pretty much all cleaned up and all ready to go. We're expecting more, but hey. I am thankful for what I have. And there's not really a whole lot over there. This table's wood. You guys can't really see anything. So, yeah, and there's more wooden, what's it called? Window frames. I don't know why I couldn't think there. And, yeah, I got pretty much everything. That's metal out of here. Clean them out. Still got a lot of other work to do. I'm not even going to bother with any of those pallets, because I don't even know what I'm doing when it comes to pallets. But yeah, I'll just load this a little bit up into the truck, see what they want to do with this random piece of glass. I'll just probably put it with the others. I want to double check, make sure there's no more metal frames, and yeah, we'll head out. Since I'm in Pottstown, I might as well just roll down a couple alleyways, see if there's anything, because tomorrow is Pottstown's trash night. Like, trash collection is Friday morning, so I'll be rolling through Thursday afternoon into the evening trying to find some metal. But alright, well, I'll see you guys after I have everything loaded up and see if I can find anything else. Look on Craigslist as well. Alright, I got everything loaded up. I got from here. This is really a good scoop. I'm also going to get a kernel of corn. They said I could have this corn right here. Be really good on the grill or something. I can't really get it one-handed at least. So I'm going to cut the film right now. Alright, so I just got hooked up with some fresh corn and some toasted strudels. and some scrap metal. I'm parked in their backyard right now, so I'm gonna get moving, see if I find anything on my way back home. Alright, heading out, guys. Oh, great. There's a U-Haul. I think something's already kind of tight. And okay. This is tight, very tight. know I'm a day early, but hey, it doesn't hurt to look. You never know, people. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
That's the score right there. Oh, never mind, that's plastic. This ain't. If I can get it out. Yeah, there's some metal in it. It's mostly metal in that section, so I'll just throw it in. Alright. I have no idea what that's about, but it looks like they don't care about it. So I'm just gonna pull forward and grab it. Considering the fact that it's in two pieces right now, I can just assume. Yeah, I think someone got evicted because it's a sign out now saying full. Okay, so I rolled through a couple alleyways, found like that one little thing. I'm just gonna go home. I will see you guys probably tomorrow. I guess this is enough to take as a load. Cool. Cause I want to start my truck empty tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. But I don't want to necessarily leave this in my grandparents' backyard. I'm just gonna head back. I'll see you guys. Cause I'm on my way home. So I decided I just kind of roll through it. I'm glad I did. I'm not sure if these picked up a day early or what. but they oftentimes have their stuff out earlier. This is nice and light, so it's probably aluminum. Oh, not much is in this neighborhood, but there is this cool looking C3. Well, that over there looks like they're doing some work to it. A little car spotting, I guess, in this video. Alright, K5. Sorry, I didn't really have the camera pointed in the right direction. We'll go right past it. I'm thinking this is, yeah, it's a Suburban. I love these old Suburbans. But I wanted a truck bed for obvious reasons. That is beast. And a little Outback Sport. Well, I'm actually going home this time. Alright, good morning, guys. So, I loaded up the truck yesterday. And I'm probably just gonna go to the scrapyard today. See what I get for this stuff. And I grabbed a couple little aluminum cans from home, and then I'm just gonna try and handle this electric motor as is. I haven't really found the time or energy to just take it apart. So yeah, let's go. 10 minutes out from the scrapyard, and I realized that I forgot to take that copper off of the water heater. And I have my electric Sawzall with me, but it's a plug-in. So I'm kind of screwed on that, which sucks. But hey, there's not much I can do now. I'll see you guys when I get there. I'm kind of breaking my own heart right now. That really sucks. Should have got that, but it didn't. Apparently this is cast. This is aluminum. I got aluminum and then electric motor right here. And all those window frames were aluminum, so got a pretty good aluminum haul today. And cast. I decided to set this off to the side a little bit so that people might see it and save it. A little dirty, but it's in pretty good condition. There's the cast pile over there. I'm gonna go back on the scale and head over. Alright guys, that's what I got. Considering the fact I got pretty much all that in one spot, I'd say that's pretty good. You know, I would have wanted to find a little more so I could make more like 30 to make it down here, but I still make my money back and then some. So yeah, I mean, it took me a lot less time than usual. Sorry about the noise. The scrapyard, I don't know if you heard what I was saying, but you know, this is all going to be in one video, this load and then tomorrow's load, because I'm picking it up tonight, because I'll be looking through Pottstown. I'm going to run some errands today, and then I'll check back in with you guys when I start scrapping again. Now I just got to drive home. Thanks for watching this far. We're almost done. It shouldn't be, actually never mind, we're like halfway through. Alright, that's it. See you guys. Not finding a whole lot today in Pottstown. Found something. I'm early, so can't expect too much. I'm not getting very good signal on my radio for some reason. That's a shame. It's the purple smoke on the water live. This is pretty nasty. There's some pile. Yeah, I need 2 hands for this. Just thinking, I kind of hope I get a refrigerator or something, because my scrapyard takes them, which I thought they didn't. Just a nice pleasant surprise, and we have one right here. Microwave 2. This is good. Like, this thing is really awkward and it doesn't break down at all. So I'm gonna have to do some rearranging, but that's going in here. Yeah, my ratchet straps aren't really doing their thing, so yeah, gotta love bungees, I guess. Bungees will do their thing. Okay, guys. So I just had to stop for a bathroom break. I stopped over at the Wawa. Apple Street seems to be my street today, because that was the only street that really had much of anything. And that was where I got the refrigerator and stuff. I had to kind of go further away from there to go use the bathroom. There's the one at the Rite Aid. You have to talk to the pharmacist and all that, and half the time someone else is in there. And then AutoZone doesn't have one apparently. So Wawa's the only good option, really. I'll see what else I find. There's not really much over here. I think they might have a different trash day. Alright, well, I'll see you guys. This is... I might stop on this, I think. Somehow. They are. I'm gonna go back there. We still got plenty of space. Christmas stuff I can put it in the fridge. This is gonna be hard to get to. Okay, I'm gonna put this up. Hello everybody. It might be a little loud because of the wind noise, but I'm on my way to the scrapyard once again with that refrigerator and those other little things that I kind of found the other day. This is probably my last trip before I head off to North Carolina. I'm going to be in North Carolina Monday to Saturday. And scrapyards are closed on Sundays, so that would only leave Saturday. And Saturday they're only open until 12. So unless I find somewhere that has a lot of metal tonight, this is it. But thank you guys for watching. I think that was a good idea to kind of combine both videos like this. Compact it for you guys. If you made it this far, thank you. We're almost done. I'll see you guys when we get there. $58.40. Not a huge payout, but hey, it's something. Pretty big scrap pile. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video, officially. I will show you the tickets right now, actually. So the new scale operator messed up my ticket. This is what it's supposed to be. $15.45. Because my way out was $55.40. So 300 pounds. And then a pound of export wire. Instead, they put $55.40 for light iron, which would have been a great payday. My truck would have been like done, but unless I had a trailer. If I had a trailer, then it'd be fine. But yeah, that would have been amazing. I don't know, kind of funny, I guess. I caught it and then went back to Blade. Blade's awesome. I'm gonna kind of miss him when I'm off to school, but yeah, this is a big difference. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. Peace.